ang cute-cute mo naman. Okay, sige, relax ka lang. Huwag mo hawakan yung number mo. Okay, so, what will be your talent for today? Anong gagawin mo? Going to dance. O, sige. Mahilig ka ba mag-dance? Sige, ready ka na, ha? O, move lang natin yung hair mo ng konti para hindi ka ma-distract. Okay? Pin over kasi 1089.